These men called me that I should come and drink. Yeah. They are flexing. They said they love Tinubu's government. And they say no evil man should join any protest.
Yes, sir.
It's not that time.
Yes.
If we want you before and you refuse to leave.
We shall stand. I am mandate. We shall stand. I am mandate. I am mandate. I am mandate. We shall stand.
Good government, good for you guys.
Yeah.